Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to watch how to apply a tourist visa to Bolivia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, in front of you, I have opened the official Foreign Affairs Ministry site of Bolivia. And you can like this was not in English language, but I used translation service by Google and I translated into English. So I got this under services, electronic government. I have this visa application link. When I click here, it goes here. So I'm going to proceed and we are going to go through this. But just I want to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, see this is page. The text is written in both English and Spanish. First of all, when it comes to Bolivia tourist visa, if you need a visa to travel to Bolivia, you need to apply at your consulate or embassy, whichever is covering your area. So we'll go through that. So here we have selected, this can be seen even in Portuguese too, but I have selected English. So we say this. Please insert your nationality. So let's say you are an Indian national. I select. Please your type of passport. Let's say you have a regular passport. Okay. Now they have a link requirement for visa. If you click on this, this is gonna tell you that what are the things are required. You need a passport valid with 6 months of validity, a certificate of vaccination against yellow fever and other health certification if applicable, recent passport photograph, size they have given, proof of payment of visa fee, specific requirements. So let's say if you're trying for transit for tourists, yeah, travel itinerary, letter of invitation if somebody is inviting you, or booking accommodation, financial solvency. Okay, so like the documents required are standard, and we'll go through this. Okay, security check. So it's a very simple mathematics. Once you enter that, you have the link enter to visa application form. You need to confirm and then you go to this page. Okay, and this is gonna be in 5 steps. Type of visa. So see, second part they have written in English. Okay, so here is this tourist visa in accordance with current regulations and reciprocity. Okay, now loaded. Your first name. Okay, so your surname first and then first name. Okay, so I'm just putting sample. You need to do as per your case. Of course, I won't be applying and submitting. Country, let's say you're from India. City, some fields are not mandatory, but I'll fill them up if they apply to me because I don't find any reason to hide. Date of birth, see, they have given the format. So you need to write based on that. What should I do? Identity, fine. National identification number. So I'm just writing some sample. In India, we have like Aadhaar, if I'm not wrong. Present occupation. Home phone number, work phone number, cell number, they have made it mandatory. Email address. Okay, I'll just add some sample. Marital status, single, whatever is your case. Country of nationality, this we have selected in the first page itself. Now they have asked me to choose a photo. So then only they will take me to the next screen. I'm not sure if I'll be able to go to the next screen, but let's see. I'm gonna try it and I'll So somehow I managed to go through that page. Now it is asking for the passport number. I'm putting some sample. Issuing country. These details you can get from your passport, and make sure when you type, you do it like you verify. You don't want to get issues later on, right? Date. I'm just putting sample. Expiration date. Yeah. Click on continue once you are through this. Now it is asking if you have ever applied for a visa before. I select no. So these two fields became disabled. How long in days you want to stay in Bolivia? In days they have asked, and you can see like 30 days they have given duration. So let's say you want to stay for 15 days. What is your main destination in Bolivia? That you need to select. Oh wow, I don't know anything, so I just select one. Do you have relatives in Bolivia? I select no. So these fields become non-mandatory. I click on continue. Emergency contact they have asked. Okay. So other fields they have made non-mandatory. So like you should fill all, but because I'm just walking you through the form, so I'm just filling up the mandatory. Wow, they have not given legal translation for this. I declare the all. I'm aware that responsible for fraudulent information liable of penalties under the law. Okay, field mark. I don't know what does it mean, so I'll just put. You can translate it. Let me translate. Place of application. Okay. So let's say you are applying from New Delhi. Then you do click on continue. So now we have reached the page where they are asking for the documents, and then you in the next step when you go, they will ask for payment, and from there they will give you the further instructions as how to proceed with this. But you got the idea, so based on your location, they will provide you further instructions. So of course I'm not gonna do this. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.